During your time at Point Park University, PointSync will be your go-to resource for getting involved with other students and making the most of your campus experience. PointSync is an online community that helps to connect students with organizations, offices, and programs. As a current student, you may use PointSync to manage your involvement in student groups and organizations, request your co-curricular transcripts, communicate with student organizations, and to learn about campus events and programs. To get started, just go to pointpark.edu and click My Point Park in the lower left-hand corner. Then, select PointSync from this menu. Now, you can sign in by clicking the button in the top right of your screen. Your login credentials will be the same as your Point Park email, username, and password. If you are using a web browser that is already logged into your Point Park email, you may experience an automatic login after clicking this button. Once signed in, you can go to the Organizations tab to see all of the clubs that Point Park has to offer. This comprehensive list of clubs can be exciting to explore, but if there is a specific type of club that you are interested in, then select a topic from the Categories drop-down menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the club's title to find out what they do, who they are, and how to contact them. You can even start applying to join clubs with the simple click of a button. The Events tab will show you any upcoming campus events. Once again, you can use the drop-down menus on the left side of the screen to filter through these events. After finding an event, just click on it to learn more or to RSVP. The News tab will keep you up to date with what's happening on campus. Here, you can find regular updates from CAB, the Campus Activities Board, and SAIL, which stands for Student Activities Involvement and Leadership. If you have any questions about clubs and events, please contact the SAIL offices at sail@pointpark.edu or via their organization's location on PointSync. After exploring the tabs, go ahead and click the circular icon in the top right. This circle should contain the first letter of your first name. Here, you'll find your own personal event history, your current memberships and experiences, your co-curricular records, any forms you've submitted or notifications you've received, your PointSync downloads, and there's even a link at the bottom to help you with voting information such as registering and election reminders. So get exploring. With PointSync, you can take advantage of all the clubs and experiences available at Point Park to truly make the most of your time here. Enjoy!